In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub account. This part is important because templates are typically created and stored at the sub account level, so you want to be in the workspace where you'll actually use them for campaigns and automations. Once you're in the right sub account, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. This is where Gohighlevel keeps tools related to outreach, messaging, and campaign content. After that, click on Emails to open the email marketing area. Inside the email section, click on Templates. This is where you can view any templates you've already created and where you'll build a new one. To begin creating a fresh template, click on New. Gohighlevel will then give you options for how you want to start. And for this walkthrough, choose Blank Template. Starting with a blank template gives you full control over the design and message, which is especially useful if you want something customized for your brand or specific campaign. Next, click on Select a Template to enter the editor and begin building your layout. Once you're inside the builder, go to the left-hand side and click the plus button. This opens up the content elements you can add to your template. From here, you can drag and drop items like text blocks, images, and buttons directly into your layout. This visual builder makes it easy to structure your message in a clean and professional way without needing any coding. As you build, take a moment to think about readability. Keep your layout simple. Make your message easy to scan and use buttons only where they help guide the reader to the next action. If you're creating a template that may also support text-based communication, keeping your wording clear and concise will make it easier to adapt later. One of the most useful parts of this process is personalization. Use custom values, such as a contact's name, to make your message feel more direct and relevant. Personalized templates often perform better because they feel less generic and more tailored to the recipient. When you're happy with the design and content, click Save Template. This stores it in your template library so you can quickly reuse it in future campaigns, broadcasts, or automations instead of rebuilding it from scratch every time. That's it. Once saved, your template is ready to use whenever you need it inside Gohighlevel.